What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Raps. So I wanted to do this video to give you guys a big thank you. I'm so appreciative of the amount of support, ongoing feedback, and things that you tag me in. It means a lot to me. To think that doing rap videos or YouTube videos on rapping stuff would have ever gone this far is completely beyond me. Never in my life would I have imagined it going or getting to where it is even now, or even like when I hit like 10,000 subscribers or 20,000 subscribers. Like I never thought, like this, it just kept going. But it only kept going because of you guys. And you know, it makes this totally worth doing regardless of everything else that's going on. I love doing these videos and I really enjoy doing them for you guys. That takes me to moving in a new direction for the rest of this year, where I'm not wrapping client vehicles anymore. Stay tuned for more information on that, because I'm gonna actually be doing videos directly for you guys, and that's pretty much it. So I'm not taking on any more client wraps, and I'm gonna be basically renting cars or getting cars in here just for you guys and the specifics that you've been asking for. Better camera angles, no rush time, and you know, I'll be able to hopefully nail out every detail possible. Again, there'll be more information on that coming up. To know that, or to see that the videos that I've been putting out there have actually brought people together is crazy. Fathers and sons, husbands and wives, couples, friends, whatever it is, people have ventured into business together. Like, it's crazy. I can't even believe that this has opened up so many doors for so many of you. And again, thank you very much for sharing all of that with me. It makes it so much more worthwhile to actually hear those comments and to get all that feedback from you. I do see it all and I do comment on it. It's me who comments on it when I do comment. Again, I can't comment on all of it, but I try my best. At 100,000 subscribers, I was supposed to receive a plaque. I did receive it not too long ago, and I wanted to share it with you because I have this plaque because of you guys. And it's not just based off of what I did, because if it was just based off of what I did, it wouldn't have come. It's because you guys helped share this and support it in the end, and that means so much to me. It gives me the drive to keep doing more and keep going further and further and further. You know, the amount of positive feedback that I get far outweighs the negative, and the negative isn't even worth looking at. But you know, take a chance if you want to get into it, and you know, I'm always here for the support. I do my best. Now let's open up this thing and show you guys what I got. And I know I'm at like 140,000 subscribers or something now, so quite a ways away. But I do want to share it with you, and I haven't like hung it up or anything yet. I did open it up because I wanted to look at it. I haven't even opened it up since then, and I've been meaning to do this video for quite some time now, but just been extremely busy because I was like working like 7 weeks just doing car wraps back to back to back to back to back, so I could get to this point right here, right now, where I could work on all these fun projects. I'm wrapping this wall over here in marble, which is pretty cool. We have got so many wicked projects on the way. I'm going to show you guys how to build these racks for your wall for dirt cheap. They're like $9 a set, probably even less in the US. So that's about $9 a set each one in Canada. But I'm gonna do a video on that. Sorry, I wanted to turn my phone off there. It was ringing. So yeah, but they're super cheap. And I wanna show you guys how to do that. I wanna show you guys how to do all kinds of stuff. So let's open this thing up. The anticipation, I haven't even seen it. I haven't even touched it with my hands yet because I don't want to touch it with my hands. Again, straight from YouTube, 100,000 subscriber plaque, and for those of you who have seen it, cool. For those of you who haven't seen it, you may not even know it exists. Someone told me it exists like as I was getting closer to the number, but I had no idea that this thing was even out there. So I received a nice letter from them, which, I mean, I could read it out to you. It's from the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. 6 digits, pretty crazy. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. I could see that in the comments for sure, guys. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. I hope there's been some entertainment there. And you know, so you've achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you with all the hard work, this Silver Creator Award, as a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. I didn't. You do it because you have the drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Very nice. Very nice letter. I'm sure everyone gets one of those who gets to this point. Now, this is kind of like it's like Christmas opening this thing up. That's what I felt like when I opened it up. So this is it, guys, and I'll take it out of the bag for you. It's pretty nice, I have to say. You know, you don't really know what to expect, I guess, when you get something like this, but it is really, really nice. It's got a nice mirror finish with like a mirror in it with the brushed steel around it. It's very thick. It's got a nice felt backing, so great to hang up on the wall without damaging anything. Again, you know, the details like that, it's like me masking off the other side of the fender to make sure I don't damage anything with my blade or whatever. But yeah, this is it, and I'll kind of bring it into the camera for you. So it's a super cool thing, and I actually have no idea where to put this thing. I don't know if I put it at home or I put it here or what, or I just keep it in the box as like a token. But yeah, this is, I want to say thank you for this to you guys, because it's not just me. Yeah, I did videos, but I just did videos because I did videos. And it wasn't for fame or money or stardom or awards. It was just to do videos and teach people what to do and expand this market is like more the direction that I'd love to go, or what I really want to do is just to expand this market and truly make it grow. I believe that we're way undervalued and way overlooked, and that we have a long way to go still, where that appreciation, the value will get there to a point one day. And you know, I love what I do. And you should love what you do too, regardless if it's wrapping cars or something else. But that's simply how I feel about what I do. And I think that me loving what I do, that shows through in the end. And you know, I care about it. And there's not much as far as like things go that I care about in my life. You know, there's of course people, but as far as like other things go, regardless of people and relationships and friendships and that kind of stuff, this is the most important, like this, my work is the most important thing to me. And it gives me purpose. And I feel like I found my purpose. Anyways, I do hope you enjoyed the video. I do hope you like looking at the plaque. Again, I wanted to share it with you because not every day you see one of these things. Some of you may have seen them before, but this one is a direct thank you to you guys. And you know, again, I appreciate it very much. I'll have a lot more videos coming up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see what else is coming up. Again, thank you very much. Take care.